Welcome to Christ Deemed University, Delhi NCR campus, where learning meets inspiration. Step inside and discover a campus built for growth, creativity, and excellence. Start with our state-of-the-art library, a perfect place to think, explore, and innovate. Modern classrooms and fully equipped labs give you hands-on learning every single day. From media studios to advanced computer labs, creativity and technology go hand in hand here. Love sports? We've got open fields, courts, and fitness zones, everything you need to stay active and energized. And beyond academics, Christ is always alive with clubs, fests, and student-led initiatives that make every day exciting. Hungry? A vibrant cafeteria and hangout spots are where friendships and ideas are born. This is more than just a campus. It's a community, a journey, and a future waiting for you.